Reliving old times, a journey back to cherished memories. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, relive old times. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a gateway to memories and emotions. Join us as we explore what it means to relive old times and how this expression is used in everyday English. The phrase, relive old times, combines two words, relive and old times. To relive means to experience something again, especially in your mind or through telling stories. Old times refers to past moments, often filled with nostalgia and significance. When put together, relive old times means to mentally or emotionally go back and experience past moments that are special or memorable. This phrase is often used in social contexts, especially during reunions, gatherings, or conversations reminiscing about the past. For example, at our family reunion, we relived old times by looking through photo albums and sharing stories from our childhood. Meeting my college friends after 10 years was a chance to relive old times and recall our campus adventures. It's a phrase that evokes emotion and connection, bringing past experiences to life in the present moment. Reliving old times is not just about remembering, it's about feeling. It's a powerful way to connect with your past and the emotions associated with it. This phrase often carries a sense of nostalgia, joy, and sometimes even a tinge of sadness for times gone by. It's a celebration of life's journey and the experiences that shape who we are. Relive old times is a beautiful expression that reminds us of the power of memories and the human experience. It's about holding on to the moments that matter and sharing them with others. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase to deepen your connections and enrich your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and may you find joy in reliving your own old times.